Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. I am Sakshi, and we are discussing daily current affairs, the most important news for you, as on 23rd October 2020. Before beginning, I would like to introduce you with SSB Crack Exams. If you're a defense aspirant and preparing for defense-related exams like NDA, CDS, AFCAT, Territorial Army, SSB Crack is the best option for you. You can always visit our website for more details regarding the courses, mock tests, quizzes, and study materials that we offer. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Telegram for more defense updates and instant defense updates. You can also download our mobile app SSB Crack Exams from Google Play Store. So let's start our day with the question of the day from the last session. And in the last session, I asked you, what is Frontier Technologies Cloud Innovation Center? See, the Frontier Technology Cloud Innovation Center is a very new initiative of Niti Aayog, okay? And along with that, Amazon Web Services, AWS, okay? Niti Aayog, AWS both have announced the establishment of the Frontier Technologies Cloud Innovation Center, which is commonly known as CIC, and it is a first of its kind in India. So basically, these centers, they provide on-demand cloud computing platforms and application program interfaces to the individual companies, government on the metered pay-as-you basis. Okay, CIC, it is a part of AWS CIC global program, right? And CIC, it will enable government, as I told you, stakeholders, startup, local organization in India to innovate and create new approaches to like solving problem through cloud computing. What is the mission of this? The mission is to identify and deploy leading edge technologies to drive continuous innovation. The main aim is to drive the innovation in delivering citizen services, and the center will identify and prioritize the project, as well as it is going to collaborate with the local leaders, including the subject matter experts at the state and the district level, to solve the very critical challenges that they face. And also these local enterprises, startups, research and universities in India, they can experience and build prototypes on the AWS cloud system, okay? And basically it is aligned with the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, Atmanirbhar mission, and the Atal Innovation Mission as well, okay? So with the AWS Cloud, public sector organization get the power of the broadest and the deepest cloud services to accelerate their mission, okay? So this is it about the Frontier Technologies Cloud Innovation Center. Now, the first news that we have, it is about the Aditi Urja Sanch, okay? So basically, Union Minister of Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, he recently inaugurated the dimethyl ether fired Aditi Urja Sanch unit along with the DME LPG blended fuel cylinders. Okay, basically it is a new design burner. So this DME, it is an ultra clean fuel, and CSIR NCL, it has developed nation's first of its kinds of DME pilot plants with 20 to 24 kg per day capacity. So what was the need of this? Basically the conventional LPG burners, they are not suitable for DME combustion, and DME density is different than the LPG. Now we are going to see what are the salient features of the newly designed burners, okay? So these features are the new designs. It is efficient for both DME and blend of DME and LPG as well. The novel design and flexible air ingress. The new nozzle design allows optimum oxygen ingress for combustion, and the angles at which nozzles are placed maximizes the heat transfer across the utensils. Optimum flame velocity can be obtained. The length of the flame, high, low, medium, can be adjusted by altering the oxygen ingress, and the experiment shows that it increases the heat transfer rate as well. So how this is significant? Of course, the launch of this burner will give the boost to the Make in India campaign, okay? First of all, along with that, it is going to promote the green sustainable fuel policy of the country, and it will also ensure the energy security, and it has a better efficiency as well. Okay, so now let's move ahead. Next update, it is about the Prime Minister Modi. He is about to inaugurate 3 key projects in Gujarat very soon. Prime Minister Modi, he will virtually inaugurate these projects in Gujarat, and I'm going to tell you what 3 projects they are. So first is the Kisan Surodaya Yojana. It is for the farmers of Gujarat. The second is the pediatric heart hospital attached with the UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology and Research Center, and a mobile application of telecardiology at the Ahmedabad Civil Hospital in Ahmedabad. The third one is the ropeway at the Girnar. Okay, so he is going to inaugurate all these 3 projects in the Gujarat, and we'll discuss in detail about these projects once they are launched. Next update we have, it is about the eDharti Geo portal. So Union Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs, Shri Hardeep Singh Puri ji, he launched eDharti Geo portal. So this portal, it will integrate map, lease plans and management information system. It will make system geographic information system, which is GIS enabled. Okay. So what is the aim for this eDharti Geo portal? It is to provide property certificate. Property certificate by how? Land and development offices through eGeo portal, and the certificates includes the property detail, land wise, property type, date of allotment, property status, subtype, etc. Everything will be given under that, and these certificates will be available on the nominal fees of ₹1000, and it can be accessed by the public by visiting the website. Through this certificate, the lease of the property, it will be able to get the basic details of his and her property along with the map showing its location, as well as it is a GIS enabled. Okay. So this is it about the eDharti Geo portal, which is recently launched. Now let's move ahead and let's talk about the COVI-RAP. Okay. Next update we have, it is about the COVI-RAP. So the Indian Council of Medical Research, it has validated the efficacy of the COVI-RAP for what? Detection of the COVID-19. So basically COVI-RAP, it is a diagnostic machine for COVID-19 detection. It looks something like that. It is a very excellent creation by the researchers in the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Okay, you need to remember this. So this COVID-19 diagnostic testing method has been designed to be fairly easy to conduct and affordable. When they say affordable, the cost of this COVI-RAP is only 500 rupees. Okay, so it has been designed to be fairly easy to conduct and affordable, as well as can produce the result in 1 hour. These are the 2 main features. It can produce the result within 1 hour. So finally, ICMR has successfully validated the COVI-RAP for the efficacy of the detection of COVID-19. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now I am going to tell you the current COVID-19 situation in India. So as per 22nd October, the total cases are 77,06,946. The recovered are 68,74,518. Active are 7,15,812, and deaths have reached to 1,16,616. In this chart, you will see 78% of the new cases in the 10 states and the union and territories, and these states and union and territories are Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and Odisha. Now it is time to revise this entire session with the quiz. Try to answer these questions. So the question for you is, Aditi Urja Sanch is an initiative of Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Health, Niti Aayog, Ministry of Science and Technology. So it is an initiative of Ministry of Science and Technology. Now the next question is, which of the following is not a component of eDharti Geo portal? A, it comes under Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Second, provides property certificates. This is also true. This is also true. Third, it provides loans to the farmers. This is not true. Okay, so option number C is incorrect. Next question, COVI-RAP is developed by IIT Delhi, Kharagpur, CSIR or Ministry of Health. So we know that COVI-RAP is developed by IIT Kharagpur. Now it is time for question of the day. Try to answer this question in the comment section. So the question for you is, what is Life in Miniature project? It is a very recent project launched Try to answer this in the comment section. We will discuss in detail about this project in the next session. Till then, stay motivated, work hard. Jai Hind.